In today's video, I am going to teach you how to tag Kras-based roles in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. This process happens inside the performance area, since HRIS are part of performance management and role alignment. First, go to the left sidebar and click Performance. This opens the Performance module, where you can manage items like goal settings, appraisals, and HRIS. Give the page a moment to load fully, especially if your organization has a lot of performance data. Next, look toward the top menu and click Settings. Settings is where you control the configuration for performance features. If you do not see settings right away, confirm that you are still inside the performance section, since the top options can change depending on which module you are viewing. Once you are in settings, move to the left sidebar within the settings area and select KRA. KRA stands for Key Result Area, and this is where you can create, organize, and tag KRAs based on roles. Opening this section brings up the KRA configuration screen, where you will do the actual tagging. From here, proceed with adding and tagging the KRA. This is the part where you associate the KRA with the correct role-based structure, so it appears for the appropriate employees and performance workflows. Work carefully as you enter or assign the KRA details, and double-check that you are tagging it to the intended role before moving forward. Clear, consistent naming also helps later when reporting or searching, so use a label that matches your internal role language. When you are finished adding and tagging the KRA, click Save. Saving applies your changes and ensures the KRA and its role tagging are stored correctly. After you save, take a quick moment to confirm that the KRA appears as expected in the list, so you know the update was successful. That covers everything you need to know.